So yesterday we discussed about collections that we have seen about a list and a tuple. Still other collections are pending. Set and dictionary. First, let's talk about set. Set is a collection of unique values. That means it doesn't allow duplicates. A small example for this: the symbol to create a set, that is this curly brackets. Okay, I'm giving some values here: 100, 200, again 100, once again 100, 100 repeated for 3 times here, 200 2 times, and 300. Totally, I have given 6 values. Among these 6 values, 100 is duplicated for 3 times, 200 is 2 times, 300 1 time. But is a set, it won't allow duplicates. What happens? Just check. If I print this S, just wait, it is connecting with the machine. Now check this. The final output, the set contains only unique values: 200 1 time, 100 1 time, 300 1 time. Okay, this is called set. This technique we use to eliminate duplicates from our collection. For example, you have a list. Suppose I am taking your departments. First employee is from marketing. Second employee is from HR department. The third is from finance. Again, fourth employee is from marketing. The fifth employee is from finance. And next HR. Last employee is also from HR. In this way, how different employees. If you have a question, how many departments are there? How many departments are there? If it is the question, directly if you apply len on the DEPT, it counts number of elements, but this is not answer to my question. How many departments means, in fact, there are only 3 departments: marketing, HR, and finance. Now this is the case, I need to eliminate duplicates. To eliminate the duplicates, set is the function. If you apply set on the DEPT, on the list, from the list it eliminates duplicates. Just check it. Now finance 1 time, HR 1 time, marketing 1 time. For this, I'm applying len function, len of set of DEPT. Now finally, I get answer to my question. My question is, how many departments are there? It is saying that 3 departments. Okay. So this is the use case of the set function. How to eliminate duplicates. Yes, Srikanth. So here, remember, to convert a tuple into list is the function. To convert list into tuple of is the function. Similarly, set is the function to convert a list object into set object. Finally, in the set, you contain only unique values. And one more collection is pending for us. That is DICT. What it is a dictionary. What is a dictionary? Is a collection of key and value pairs. Is a collection of key and value pairs. So here there are some rules. Key should be unique. value can be duplicated. To understand these two rules, just observe this example. I'm taking a sample dictionary D. The key A I am giving. Value 100. Here also the symbol for the dictionary is similar to set, that is curly bracket. But in the set, each element is a single value. But here, each element is a key value pair. Observe here, left side key, after that colon, right side value. The rule is here, key should be unique, value can be duplicated. I'm taking one more key, B, the value 100. Now here two pairs contain same value. Next, one more thing, again A I am giving the value 400. Once again B, value 300. Now a fresh key C, 500, so 600. Totally I have given 5 pairs, 5 key value pairs. But follow the above rule, key should be unique. A repeated for 2 times, B repeated for 2 times. Whenever a key is repeated, that means duplicated, the latest value will be taken. Now check the value of D. I get 3 pairs only. A100, A400, there are two keys. But it has taken latest. And also B100, B300, it has taken the latest. That means the recent key value pair it will take. B300. The next is C600. This is the rule meaning. Key should be unique, value can be duplicated. Okay. So how to access the dictionary elements? Suppose how to access list elements or tuple elements? By passing index numbers and slicing. But here for the dictionary, slicing and indexing are not working. You should pass key. If you pass key, you will get value. Check this. D, I'm saying 0. Index number I passed. It won't accept it. Because it treats that 0 as a key. There is no key with 0. That's why this is invalid operation. But I am passing a key. If I pass key A, I will get its value. What's the value of A? 400. I get 400. Similarly, I want to find out the value of C. D of pass the key C. I get it. I get the value 600. All of you understood till now. How to access dictionary values means by passing key. You get value. Okay. Just I add that notes. If key is passed, value will be returned. This is the rule. And one more test here. I'm passing D of X. But in the dictionary D, there is no key called X. So that you will get a key error. Check this. So this error because key X not available in the dictionary. If such kind of statement is applied in a program, because of this error, your program execution will be stopped. To control this, you have a function. I'm saying d.get. As per object-oriented program, here D is an object, get is a method. Okay, for now, Up to now, we did not enter into object-oriented programming. Just treat that D, that get as a function. Okay. I'm passing that X. X is not available. I don't get any error. I got non-object. Okay. The object name is non. Observe here one more example. D dot get off A, but A is already available. If available, I will get a value. Got it. If key not available, it is not throwing any error. It returns a non-object. So based on this, how it works, I will write the statement. I'm talking about the get function. If key available, it returns value. If key not available, it returns NONE. That means that is empty object. Okay. So this technique you can use to identify whether key available or not. A small conditional statement I will apply. A small conditional statement. If D dot get off A equals to none, print the given key not available. For example, this condition false. That means the key is already available. If D dot get off A equal to none means if key not available, you are checking. If not available, you are printing this message. And here I am printing the value is D of that key. Now check this. In our example, A available or not? Available. That's why the first condition false. It came to else part. Executed this statement. Okay, here I am doing small modification. I am saying K equal to something. Yeah. Here I am using K. Here also I am using K. Initially K value. A is available. I got value 100. I'm passing B now. B also available. I got value. Passing C. Available. You get value. I'm passing X. Not available. It is giving you a message. The given key is not available. Okay. But it is not. If key not available, it is not throwing any error. You got it. So one more example you will see about the dictionary. I want to maintain our qualifications. That too, I want to keep this as a dictionary. Along with the qualification label, I want to assign some other value. Observe this example. Your qualification is BTech. You passed out in 2015. After that MTech, the year of passed out is 2017. After that MBA, year of passed out 2020. Got it. Now I want to check the qualification of PhD. But PhD not available here. You get key error. Control this. If qualification dot get off PhD equals to none. Now I'm printing PhD not available in qualification list. Just say not available. Else, I'm printing year of passed out. The dictionary name is qualification and you are passing key. Observe this execution. I'm passing PhD into the dictionary by using get function. It is saying that PhD not available. So here I'm taking a variable, assigning a value PhD. In the place of constant PhD, I keep that variable Q. Here also qualification of Q. Now check it. I passed PhD, saying that PhD not available. So here let's keep Q comma. The Q value is PhD right now, saying that PhD not available. Passing BTech. Here, not fit Q. Just check it now. Now I am passing BTech. BTech is available in the dictionary. That's why it is saying year of passed out is 2015. And pass other value, which is MBA. MBA passed out is 2022. Got it? So how to access key value pairs me? How to access dictionary element means what is your answer? By passing key, you can get value. Got it? The two at the time of passing key, if key not available, it throws error. To control that, use the get function, right? Now, how to access all keys of a dictionary? Let's work with qualification. The dictionary is qualification dot keys. You will get all the keys. So BTech, MTech, and MBA. To convert that into the list, just apply list function. Directly that is converted as a list only. Similarly, how to access all values of a dictionary? Just copy the same statement, just to do some small change. List of qualification dot values. In this way, you can access all the things. Okay. Now my question. What is recent past date? If it is a question. Apply for the above output, apply the max, you will get 2020. Max of qualification dot values. I got it here. 2020. Okay. Like this. So what is our very first qualification means apply the min function. In this way, a lot of predefined functions are available in the Python. In the beginning of the session only I explained. So why Python is popular means because of its code simplicity and also rich in library. For so many purposes, you have predefined functions and also libraries. Whatever you want, you just import that library, you can execute it. Few more examples we will see on that. I'm taking your employee IDs. The ID is 101. 102, 103, 4, 5. Think that these are employee IDs. And you have 5 employees in your organization. And their salaries I am keeping here. The first employee salary 10,000, second employee salary 20,000, next 40,000. The fourth 90,000. The fifth 1 lakh or 5,000. Now ID is in a separate list, salary is in a separate list. I want to make them as dictionary. In this dictionary 101, I will keep as key the salary value. The salary as value. ID as key, salary as value. I will. So in this moment, you can apply the zip function. If I apply the zip, what will happening is mapping will happen. First element to first element. Second element to second element. Third to third, fourth to fourth, fifth to fifth, like that. That means corresponding elements will be mapped. ID and salary. Got it. If you check this, you will get a wrapper object. It's not a dictionary, it's not a tuple. You want to convert this into tuple, just you can apply tuple function. Not tuple, list function. Now check it. You will get a list of tuples. Instead of applying list function, apply a DICT function. Okay, this will be converted as a dictionary. Understood this? 101 is key, 10,000 is value. Again, next for the next pair, 102 is key, 20,000 is value. Look at the last, 105 is the key, 5,000 is the value. Got it. On that way, different list objects you have, corresponding elements you want to map, zip is the function. To convert that into dictionary, DICT is the function. Got it. Now, one more thing. Just wait. Here, Bhargav has a question. So that means the key can be alphabets or numbers. It can be of anything. Anything. It can be a string. It can be integer. It can be float. It can be any data type. Okay. Observe one more thing. I am extending the above example. Already I have 2 salaries here. Sorry, 2 list objects separately. ID here, salary here. Anything can be blank also, but blank takes only one time. Even blank also can be a key. Blank also can be a key. But first key is a blank, second key is also a blank, means it takes the second one. Because what is our primary rule? Key should be unique, value can be duplicated. Okay. Yeah, come on, check it here. I have already 2 collections. Now I am taking the sex values of each employee. First employee is male, second employee is female. Third employee, male. Fourth, male again. The fifth, female. Okay. And I am taking their department numbers also. I am taking their department numbers. First employee is from 11 department. Next one is from 12. Next one is from 13. Next is 11. Next is 12. Okay. ID. Okay. I'm going to take their names also here. First one, Ravi, Tony, Sony. ఏం సార్ ఏం చెప్తున్నారు ఏదైతే నేమ్ ఈజ్ యువర్ విష్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఈజ్ బోని నెక్స్ట్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఈజ్ మోని Now, how many separate list objects that we have? 5 list objects. I want to convert this as dictionary. That in the dictionary, the sample shape is like this. 101 ID, that is as key. Value is a tuple. Come on, tell me the complete details of 101. What should be there in the tuple? Ravi, his salary is 10,000. He's a male. His department is 11. This is first employee details. Similarly, tell me the last employee details. What is the key? 105. ID is the key. What about value? Value is a tuple. The tuple contains remaining information like name. What is the name of last employee? Moni. Her salary, 5,000. And gender, female. Department number, which one? Like this, I want to convert. Okay. Here, that means to make this as dictionary, you need two things. One is key. Second one is value. But value is a tuple here. Value is a tuple here. So that's why first what I do is, you want to map all these things as a list of tuples. Okay. Just check this. Info I'm taking. Tell me, list of. Okay, in a separate cell we do this. So here the task is like this. Convert above list objects into dictionary. Here ID is key. Tuple of remaining information as value. In the dictionary. So example, the sample shape of the expected output is like this. How we are doing, just observe. I created 5 list objects here. First, this information I want. For this, I'm taking info. Info is a list of, same previous technique. Zip of first name, next salary, next sex, next department. Up to now, check the content of info. You will get list of tuples. Now info is a separate list. ID already there. Okay, just map these two things. Now e-info, employee info equal to. This time I will apply DICT function. DICT of first list is ID, second list is info. Info is already a list of tuples. Now you will get what you are expecting. Check the output now. We did miss zip function here. Zip of ID, info. For that zipped value, apply the dict function. Now check the value of e-info. I got a dictionary. 101 is key. Remaining entire tuple as value. Look at the last. 105 is key. Remaining all information as value. So that kind of implementations you wanted to do in other languages like Java or C# or some other languages, you need to write very lengthy code. But in Python, just 2 to 3 lines, you finish the task. Okay, now based on this, I want complete employee information. Observe the task now. I want complete information of 104. What to do? Already entire data is organized into e-info dictionary. Just e-info of pass the key. What is our rule? If we pass key, you will get value. Now, who is 104? That is Boni, salary is 90,000. He is a male from department 11. Got it? like this. Now, my question, you have to say answer. What is salary of 105? Tell me the expression. Online team waiting for your reply. Feel free, even though answer is wrong, I correct it. First type your idea. Waiting. Nagaraj, if length mismatches, zip will not work out. You are applying zip means zip is going to map corresponding elements. Whenever you are mapping corresponding elements, number of elements should be same. Yes, Pravalika, you are correct. Suppose I am asking 105's salary. First of all, you should get 105 information. How to get it? Info of 105. You will get value. What's the return value? Return value is a tuple. In that tuple, what is the salary position? Second. Second means index number 1. Yeah, most of answers are correct, but most of answers are mistaken with the index number. Okay. So salary is at the second place, right? Second means index number 1 you have to use. Correct. I get salary of 105. Got it? So in this way list you can use. So some little complication I do on this. I'm taking account number, your bank accounts. Look into the object name. Object name is bank. What's the symbol you applied? What's the symbol you applied? Curly brackets. That means empty dictionary is created. Okay. Observe this. First time, I want to insert a value. Here you will be learning how to insert a key value pair. Observe this. Bank of first time, account number 101 is going to sign up and he is depositing 50,000. Please tell me your comment. What is the meaning of it? 101 is key. 50,000 is value. Now check the value of the bank. Key created. 101 as key. 50,000 as value. One more shot. Bank of 102 equal to 90,000. Now check the value. How many pairs will be there now in the bank? 2 pairs. Already 101 is there. Now first time 102 will be inserted. Got it. There are 2 account holders, 101, 102. Right? Observe this. After that, so above is the answer how to insert. That means if key during assignment, if key not available, a new pair will be inserted. So this is a comment about 2 examples. In the first case, 101 not available. That's why 101 inserted. In the second case, 102 also not available. That's why that is inserted. Observe one more point here. Bank of 101 equal to 1 lakh. In this moment, 101 already available or not? It's already available. Because of available, it will replace. That means it will override the value. Check the latest value of the bank now. Previously 50,000, now 50,000 is updated with 1 lakh. So this is the point how to update a value of a key. How to update value of a pair. That means if given key is available, update will happen. That means value will be updated. Got it. Okay. By following this technique, look into this dictionary. My dictionary has 2 pairs. This time I'm checking with this one, account number. Okay, let's do this example from the scratch. Now bank is empty. I'm taking account number. Taking amount. I'm taking mode of operation. Mode of operation is deposit. So user wants to deposit the money or user wants to withdraw money or user wants to check the balance of the money. Okay. It depends on the operation type. The thing should happen here. I'm going to check if mode is equal to deposit. Okay. If mode is deposit, first of all, account number should be available. I'm checking that account number is available or not. If the dictionary name is bank, bank dot get off account number equals to none. Equals to none means what? That account number not available. If not available, I want to insert that. Bank of account number equals to amounts. Suppose this condition false. Straight away here you can apply. If in the previous example, if statement you have seen, now nested if. If that condition true, one more if. Okay. Suppose here account number not available. Already available. If already available, suppose already have a balance of 20,000, what should happen here? This 10,000 should be added to that balance amount. For that, here I am saying bank of account number, you will get existed balance plus equals to amount. Got it? So up to now, what will happen? Up to now, what will happen? If mode is deposit, account number not available, then a new account will be created. If mode is deposit, if account number is already available to the existed balance, the given amount will be added. Suppose already you have a balance of 20,000. Now 10,000 will be added to that one. I'm making first condition as false. If mode is not deposit means the mode can be withdraw or something. Else I'm checking with other condition. Else if. This else and if combination in Python, that is called elif. Elif means elif is a combination of else if. Okay. Elif mode equal to withdraw. If mode is equal to withdraw. Now, if it is withdraw, if bank dot get off account number equals to none. You want to withdraw money, but you don't have accounts. What it has to say? Invalid account number. Print invalid account number. And I want to print your account number also. For example, This if got false, that means account number is already available. If available, it has to check the balance. Suppose your balance amount is 10,000, you want to withdraw 12,000. Is it possible? No, insufficient funds it has to say. Okay, that's why one more condition I am going to check. Else and then if this else if is elif. Understood? Elif. Again my condition. If amount is greater than my balance amount. How to get the balance amount? Bank of AC and if I pass key, I will get balance amount. Elif, that amount greater than bank amount, bank existed amount, that means available balance greater than available balance, then it has to say print insufficient funds. Still else, I'm doing with I want to withdraw. This condition false means what, sir? You have already sufficient balance. Okay, then that should be deducted from your balance amount. Bank of account number. You will get balance amount minus equal to previously plus equal to for deposit you applied, now minus equal to amounts. Okay. Now this condition also ready. Now still else if. Okay, this elif is for this elif. That means if mode is not deposit, if mode is not withdraw, and then you are checking one more condition. If mode equals to balance. If mode is equal to balance, then what it has to say? It has to print your balance amount. Print balance amount of account number is bank of account number. Got it? That too, if you have that account number, if account number is existed, again you want to check, apply one more thing. Elif mode is equal to balance. If bank dot get off account number equals to non, print. This time I am printing as wrong account. If it is false, then I want to print the balance. Understand? One more else I am giving. That means if mode is not deposit, mode is not withdraw, mode is not balance, then finally this else. Print invalid transaction mode. Invalid transaction. On that way, just observe this entire thing. I just take copy. Just keep it here. Observe this entire code in a full length. Sorry. That is not copied here. Check this entire logic. First check with 101. Account number 101. Mode is deposit. Amount 10,000. Condition true or not? Condition true or not? Based on above values. Condition true. That's why you will get into this one. In the very beginning, bank is empty. Think that 101 is first customer. Definitely 101 not available in the dictionary. So that this condition true. Because of true, what will happen? Account number inserted. So first time 10 account is opened for the 10. And his balance amount is 10,000. Okay. Now what is the latest value? Latest value of bank? 101 as key, 10,000 as value. Okay. Again, second operation by 101. He is making that to 20,000. Still mode is deposit. Maybe in the second day. Come on, now check it. Mode is deposit, condition true. Bank dot get off 101. This time account number value 101. True or not? This time false because 101 already available. Because of false, what is happening? To the existed amount, this 20,000 is added so that this 10,000 will become 30,000. Understand? After that, he is saying that withdraw. After that, he is saying that withdraw. Withdraw of 40,000. But he has sufficient balance. His available balance 30,000 only. Please check the things. Map the condition. Condition false. So that he will come to this part. Now mode is equal to withdraw. Condition true. Yes. Then it is coming to here. Bank dot get off account number. Account number is 101. Already available. So that condition false again. So that he came to here. What is the requested amount? 40,000. 40,000 greater than 40,000 greater than bank. So here you have to say less than. The amount should be less than or equals to that available balance. Got it. So try. Let's come on. First check it here. Later we will modify that. Come on. Here 40,000. 40,000 is less than or equals to what is available balance now? 30,000. 40,000 less than or equals to 30,000. True or false? Condition false. No. 40,000 less than or equals to condition false. So that else. So insufficient funds it has to print. That's why like reverse the condition. I think this should happen when it crosses available balance. Our first condition is correct. 40,000 greater than 30,000. Condition true. Then that is a wrong operation. So it is printing insufficient funds. If this condition false means balance available within the limit only, then it has to be deducted. Got it? On that way, this logic will work. So in this example, you learn completely about nested if, but one time practice is not enough. So double time, triple time you practice this example, you will get more idea. Let's run this and check it. In the final climax, I'm going to print my bank. All of you ready for observation? In the very beginning, bank is not having any accounts. First time I'm going to run this code. What happens? Just observe. 101 first time inserted. And I am keeping 102 here. This is the second time. Is amount 40. Still deposit. Mode is deposit. Check the thing now. It's 40,000. Second account created. Now 103. But mode is withdraw. Actually 103 not available. What it will say, just observe. Invalid account number 103. Invalid account number 103. Without account, he cannot withdraw money. So it is saying that 103 is invalid. Observe here. 101 already available. What balance he has previously? 10,000. But he is trying to withdraw 40,000. Check what happens. What's the output? Insufficient funds. Got it. Yes. He wants to withdraw only 4,000. Balance available or not? Yes. So that what should be the latest balance? Previously 10,000. Now he has withdrawn 4,000. Now the balance became 6,000. 102 just wants to check balance amount only. That's why the mode is here. Balance. This operation required for 102. Should get his balance amount. The balance amount of 102 is 40,000. Yes. Okay. In this way, combination here, the most helpful function for us, get function. If you don't use get directly, if you say bank of account number, if that account number not available, it throws error, your program execution will be stopped. Understand? You want to control it. If account number not available, you have to insert it, or you have to display the proper message to the user. Got it? Then write the logic like this by using nested ifs. So what is the functionality of the get based on all these examples? In 3 examples, you have seen this get. In the first initial dictionary example, in the qualification dictionary example, in the bank dictionary example. What is the behavior of the get function? If key available, it returns value. If key not available, it returns non-object. What is non? Non is a empty. Similar to null. Okay, non is a empty object. Got it? So this is completely about set and dictionary. Okay, let's look into this. One more, few more accounts we will create. 103, 60,000. He wants to deposit. Now 103 is added. 104, 80,000. Still deposit. 105, 1 lakh. Now check the value of the bank. You have totally 5 accounts. 5 account holders currently. Now I have a question. What is total amount available with bank? Please say answer for this. Question goes to you. Expecting answer from you. Bhargav, tell me, man, don't count it. Sum of bank of account number wrong. Srikanth Reddy. Ranjan, I don't want to compute manually. The code has to say answer. Tell me, write me, Bhargav, write complete statement. I want what is total amount with bank now. Sum of bank of amount wrong, I said. Man, in the previous examples, you have seen how to get all the keys. To get all the keys, what you have to say, bank dot keys of. Okay. To get all values, what you have to say, values function. Bank dot values. For this, apply the sum. You will get a total amount. Sum of bank dot values. Now total amount with bank is 2,86,000. Got it? Now, I want to give one more question before break. Okay, sir. Look into the bank again. or look into the qualification. Later again, we'll come back to this. This is key. Key is qualification label. Value is year, pass year. I want to reverse that. I want to make this year as key. The qualification label as value. I want to reverse it. Convert value as key, key as value. How to get all values, sir? Dot values. Okay. How to get all keys, sir? Dot keys. To map them corresponding elements, apply zip. Now mapping will happen. To make them as dictionary, apply DICT. So all these are the different techniques before you are stepping into the data science models, machine learning models. Okay. Most of your work is with the data cleaning and data processing. All these are the different data processing techniques. Okay. Now, value converted as key here and key converted as value. So here the task, convert key as value and value as key. Next, how to update already have seen. To update, what is the thing? If given key already available, update will happen. In the bank example, you have seen that. Similarly, how to remove a key? Just apply the del. Del, the dictionary of, suppose pass any key. Let's go into the bank example this time. Come back to the bank. You have 5 keys, 5 account holders. Now 104 decided to cancel his account. Now simply apply del. To delete an element from a list, you are passing index number, but it is dictionary. That's why pass key. I want to remove, I want to cancel the account of 104. Now after completion of this operation, check the value of the bank. There will be no 104. Okay. This is a deletion operation. This is account number 103. I want to make this as 203. Account number 103. Replace key as 203. I want to update. Directly no possibility. So for this, what you have to do is observe this operation. What will happen for each line of statement? You tell me. My dictionary is bank. Bank of 203. Available or not? In this moment, 203 available or not? No. Okay. If no, during assignment, what will happen? A key value pair will be inserted. But what should be the value of this one? Whatever the value is there for the 103, the same value to be here. That's why I'm saying that bank of 103. In the right side, when you pass 103, 103 already available so that you will get value. The value is 60,000. Now, what is the meaning of complete statement? Bank of 203 equal to 60,000. 203 not available. That's why a new pair is inserted. Later, I don't want 103. Del bank of 103. Now, bring the value of bank. Okay. There is no 103. That is replaced as 203 indirect. The balance amount is previous balance. So, got it? Like this. So all these are the different dictionary operations. While working with data, you will be seeing more and more operations here. So all of you, now the time is 10:16. Take a break. Again, we will be back by 10:30. All of you okay for 15 minutes break? Yes, we will meet.